Question for you. Now, I know what you did at age 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, getting involved in wine and selling sports cards, but what would you be doing if it were 2016 and you were 12, 13, 14, and 15, and 16? Appreciate your answer. Appreciate everything you do. Thanks.
Buster. Honestly, what I would tell you is to give you the answer that you're looking for, which is what would I do what should you be doing? How should you be thinking about things? Reverse engineer your strengths, right? You like the NBA, you should hit up dunk first of all and have him put you on. But besides that, I think that you need to figure out what you're good at and what would you want to do. I would basically be today, I'm trying to think, there'd be so many things I'd be doing today. Like, I give a lot of that advice. I would have made bank on Snapchat filters. I think that one guy who did the Pokemon Go consulting, I think that was super smart. Having the internet to buy and sell, I'm a salesman. Buying and selling, just buying stuff on, in Asia and remarketing in the US. I think I'd be doing pretty much everything I was doing at scale. So because when I was growing up, sports cards are what people collected, I would just be focused on whatever that version is now. Sneakers, I'm telling you right now, my stories of Toys R Us and garage sales would be waking up, at 1 in the morning and standing in line at a Soho sneaker store to get that thing flipping. Like, I would be doing a lot of that. And so, I think the truth is, Buster, I'd be focusing on what I was strong at. And what I think I'm really good at is buying and selling. I did that with stuff my whole life. Now I do it with people's attention and the end consumer's attention. That is my strength, and I would double down on that. You, my friend, need to figure out what you're best at. Is that making content on social media? Is that being a charismatic personality that I think was shining through in that question? Is that being a salesperson, buying, selling stuff, connecting with people? When you're 16, you have time. Like, Jesus. Remember when you were bored? Remember when you could do that? Andy, remember when you were like, I'm bored? Like, you don't have that kind of time when you grow up. And so I would take advantage of that time because that is the asset.